In this video, I will review how to download Collaborate recordings and store them in the Google Drive. To begin, first open your course or organization. In BB Original, Collaborate is located in the left-hand course menu. Then, to access recordings, click on the three lines and then select Recordings. In BB Ultra, Collaborate is located under the Details and Actions toolbar. Click on the three dots and then choose View All Recordings. Now that Collaborate is open, in both Original and Ultra courses, you can follow these same steps to download your recordings. First, locate recordings by using the Filter by box. You can use the calendar icons to select a specific date range or view recent recordings. Once you locate your recordings, click on the three dots to the right of each recording and choose the Download option. Once downloaded, your recording will appear as an MP4 file in your Downloads folder on your computer. To open the file, click on the downloaded MP4 and then click the drop-down arrow and choose Show in Folder. Here, you can rename your file as well. Next, we will save this file to your Google Drive. You can access your Drive through your Gmail account in the upper right-hand corner of any Google application by clicking on the square with the little dots. Here in the Google Drive, you'll want to find the location in which you want to upload your file to. Then, click on the New button in the upper left corner of the drive and click File Upload. Here, you can select your MP4 file and click Open. The file will then be uploaded to the Google Drive, as you can see in the lower right-hand corner. Once uploaded, you will see the MP4 file appear in the Google Drive. You can click on the file to open it. It will take a few minutes for the video file to process, and then you can view it in the drive. If you are sharing this file with others, you can click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and then click on the Share option. You'll be able to get a shareable link by first changing the permissions and clicking on the Copy Link button. This link can then be posted in Blackboard or on an email.